With the arrival of Windows 11, we've faced a series of changes and applications that are updated. One of these that many of you may have seen but do not know is how to take a screenshot on Windows 11. The easiest method is the one offered by the print screen key. With this system, what we do is capture everything that appears on the screen and store it in the clipboard to later use it with some of the applications that we have installed. The second method combines the Windows and print screen keys. This screen capture system saves a PNG file in the screenshots under the folder Pictures. We're gonna look at that and try it. So we're gonna press Windows and print screen. That's done. So to check that out, we go to a file, a folder, go to Pictures and look for screenshots. So it is right here, or this is our screenshot. The third method to capture the screen in Windows 11 is with the key combination Windows plus Shift and S. This gives access to the snipping tool, which allows us to determine the area of the screen that we want to capture. So let's go. We're gonna press Windows, Shift, and S at the same time. When you choose this option, you will see the following screen. First, we have the rectangular snip. Here we have the freeform snip. We have the window snip, and finally the full screen snip. Each of these options allow for a different possibility. For example, the rectangular snip allows to select the rectangular area of the area that we want to capture. So let's just say that we want to capture this area. First, we have to select it, and we just come here and we have the area that we want. You can see it right here. We have all these options here to do whatever we want with the picture, and then save. We can save this picture to any file we want to. We save, and that's it. With the freeform, you can select and personalize the area needed with the shape that you want. So if I just want this area, I'll just choose the area I want. Circle, whatever shape I want, and that's it. I have it here. I can adjust or edit the picture and then come here and save. If we choose the Windows snip, what it does is ask for the windows we want to capture and capture only the content that appears in that window, storing it in the clipboard. Finally, with full screen snip, what we do is take a screenshot of the entire screen in the same way that we would do with a print screen tab or with the print screen key, and the content will be saved to the keyboard. So let's try that. Come here, full screen snip, and we have it. That's just direct. This is the picture that we want. We can choose to save it. Let's just save it here in this file. If casually you just don't remember all these combinations on the keyboard, or you can't remember exactly how to do this, you can just look for the snipping tool. How do you look for that? You can come here directly to search and just write snipping tools, SNIPP, and you're gonna find it. The other option is you come to Home, go to All Apps, and look for Snipping Tool. This is it right here. When you finally find your snipping tool, what I do in my case is I right click on it and pin it to the taskbar. I'm always gonna find it handy there. Depends on you. If it's something that you use a lot, you can do that. If not, you can just go to apps and just find it there. I hope this video was helpful and gave you enough information on how to take screenshots on Windows 11. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button to be notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.